First game, Maluwatba against Tagore. First position ng Maluwatba. Balitaan. Yes on Balitaan. First basket of the game on Balitaan. Pasas. The machine gun. Back to Pasas. Pasas. Outside. Steal on Maluwatba. Kusukos. Balitaan. In and out. Balitaan again. Yes on Balitaan. 4-0. In favor of Maluwatba. Applying K. Pass to Pasag. Pass the machine gun to Osawa. Nakakapay na machine gun. Season 2-4. 2-point lead now on Maluwatba. Balitaan. Karang. Too strong. Top by Tagore. Right, Kusukos to fight. Yay! Turnover against Tagore. 4-2. 2-point lead on Maluwatba. Inbounding Balitaan to Balitaan. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. To Balitaan. Karang. Pass to Oliveros. Pass to Aquino. Too strong. Rebound ng Karang. Jump ball. Tagore ball. Tagore.
Isa pa si Son.
8 minutes. Apply kay Kumpo. First basket. Too strong. Rebound ng Aquino. Aquino. To Balitaan. Drive, escape, goal, goal, goal! In and out. Balitaan rebound. Oliveros. Back to Balitaan. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Balitaan again. 10 to shoot. Top by Tagore. Si Son na machine gun rebound. To Kumpu. Karang intercepted. Karang now to Balitaan. Balitaan. To Shed Black. Foul. Foul number 7 on Tagore. First on Montero. First team foul on Tagore. Almost through on Balitaan. Basket's out. 5-2. 3-point lead now on Maluwatba. Rebound on Montero. Montero. To machine gun Season. Season. Aras Balitaan. Steal again ang Balitaan. Balitaan. Goes to goes. Pass to Balitaan. Balitaan take. Karang. Open jump. Short. Karang again. Rebound on the machine gun Season. To Kumpo. Stop pump. Pull jumper. Not rebound on Oliveros. To Balitaan. 6 minutes 50 seconds. Open bang! Bang, bang, bang on Balitaan. 8-2. 6-point lead now against Maluwatba. Short. Rebound on the machine gun zone. Yes, on the machine gun zone. 8-4. Back to 4-point lead on Maluwatba. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Balitaan. Balitaan again. 14 to shoot. 14. Karang. Stop back. Short. Rebound on Saliente. Balitaan. 6 minutes. Too strong. Balitaan. 8-4. 4-point lead on Maluwatba.
Dalawa lang kayo.
Saliente, drive, escape, move, right hand. Whoa! Saliente, 8-6. 2-point lead again by Alwatba. Balitaan to balitaan. Stop pump. Short rebound on Montero. Montero now. Montero. Pass to Pasag. Pasag. Back to Masigan Sison. Bang! 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 On na Masigan Sison. Now 9-8. 1 point lead on Tagore. Karang. Tumalitan. Yes, on Balitan. Back to 1 point lead now on Alwatba. 10-9. Saliente. Looking for the flying K. Kumpo. Back to Saliente. Isite. Montero. Pasang. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound on the Masigan. Sison. Sison fake. 14 to shoot. 14. Jump ball. Jump ball. Alwatba ball. Time out. On Tagore.
Wala natin lang. Taka lang po.
4 minutes and 25 seconds.
Ha? Check my one ball. Check. No. Hindi dumating eh. Hinihintay ko nga eh. Wala siya?
Pasang. Two flying K. Escape flying K. Oh.
Technical. Starting.
Technical foul on Balitan for skill shorting. Technical free throw awarded by Tagore.
Check to one ball. Ha?
No smoking inside.
No smoking.
Single smoking.
Baru
Airpump.
airpump.
We ordered for electric coconut.
Baru one because I have ball one ball.
10-9. 1 point lead.
Shot lang.
10 all. 10 all. Saliente. 10 to shoot. The Masigan Sison. Inat Pasag. Pasag now. 40 to shoot. Saliente. Too strong. Rebound on Karang. Oliveros. Short. Rebound on the Masigan Sison. To Montero. Montero. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Montero. To Sison. Masigan Sison. Pass to Montero. Nice pass. Saliente. Foul. Foul on number 20. Time out. On Alwatba.
Pag umangat na yung isa, pagpagsat na yung isa. Oh, baksaw!
Short. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Our first game. Enter Emirates. Alwatba. Interstate category. Alwatba against Tagore. Now 1 point lead on Tagore. 10-11. Balitan. Pass to again to Balitan. Balitan. Right. Foul. Foul number 20 on Sison. Second team foul on Tagore. First personal foul against Sison. Eleven all. 3 minutes. This is our first game of the match. Alwatba against Tagore. Now 12-11. Back again to 1 point to Alwatba. Saliente. Two flying case. Safe spot. Tap by Balitan. Balitan to Balitan. Coast to coast to Karang. Karang. Oh! Sison. to Flying K. Stepping on the line. On Takure. 2 minutes and 28 seconds in the first quarter. 12 against 11. Al-Watba. Five goes too strong. Montero. Oliveros 14 to shoot. Palitan. Too strong. Rebound up. Takure ball. Takure. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This 2 minutes is brought to you by Pringle Cargo. Excelente. Foul. Foul. Foul again on number 20, Oliveros. Second on Oliveros. Second team foul, Al-Watba. Short. Twelve all. Our third deadlock of the game. First game. Takure against Al-Watba. Karam. Drive. Nice defense on the machine gun. It's 2-1. Flying K. Service pass. Nice fake. Pasan. Pasan down. Garibay lipat Beritan. Pasan. Pasan fake. Pasan to Flying K. Foul. Foul on number 13. On Al-Watba. First on Karam. 13 foul on Al-Watba. 1 minute and 26 seconds. First quarter. Oh, you know, 12 all. 12 all. Now again, 1 point lead on Takure. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 13 to 12. 1 point lead Takure. Palitan. Setting a play to Karam. Open jumper. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Karam. Now 15 to 13. Back to 2 point lead on Al-Watba. Excelente. Coast to coast. Blocked by Oliveros. Now to Balitan. Guard by 2, Balitan, back to Karam, Balitan, nice pass outside, Oliveros, fake. Oliveros, 14 to shoot, 14. Takure ball, Takure. 47 seconds, 47. 2 point lead on Al-Watba, 15 against 13. The machine gun. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the machine gun. Season. 16 to 15. 1 point lead again back to Takure. 30 seconds. Still for Excelente. It's 3-1. 4-1. 4-3. Back back, same spot. The machine gun again. Same spot. Short. Air ball. Oh! 15 seconds. 15. 15 seconds. Karam. Steal by Excelente. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Five. And our first quarter score 16 to 15.
Wala naglalaro doon.
Total mo na, babayaran ko lang. Nakabilis si Boss Richard. Nakabilis si Boss Richard ka.
Second quarter. St. Martin. Oh! St. Martin de Porres. 18 to 16. 2 point lead now on Al-Watba.
Your pass.
Palingit. Coast to coast. Nice pass outside. Black ball.
Galaw.
14 to shoot, 14. Still on. Umakot. Out of bound, out of bound. Now on Ramirez. Raymond. Short. 18 to 16. Punsalan. Offensive foul on Punsalan. First on Punsalan, first team foul against Alwatba. Balingit. Running by St. Martin. Nice pass. Intercepted. Yo move. Not again. Shot. Strong move by strong guy. 18 all. 18. Ramirez. St. Martin de Porres. Reyes. Back to Pereza. Open jumper to strong Punsalan. Basketball Punsalan. Yes. All Punsalan. 22-18.
Diretso. Ball to.
Umaw.
Set.
8 minutes.
Tapo na.
Di ba pwedeng mamili?
Umawag lang ako ng kayo.
St. Martin Torres. Saves back, short. Umakop, winning MVP. Umakop. Foul. Foul on Duque. Burst on Duque.
Screen.
Too strong. Duque. To St. Martin Torres. Torres goes short. Rebound on Raymar. Tumalingit. 4-2. Same ball. Nice defense on Reyes. 15 to shoot.
Kaya di makita yung kasama eh, naka-side eh.
Shot.
Alikulpat malingit. 10 to shoot. Counter pop. Hey!
Down tayo.
Oh! St. Martin de Torres, 22. Against 18, back to 4.0 Alwatba. 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Malingit.
Oh, defense.
Raymar. Loibo. Rebound on Torres. Umako. Time out. On Agure. Raymond. Tumalingit. Short. Alwatba.
Bola.
Now Pereza. Duque. Umaw. 14 to shoot. 14. Reyes. Too strong. Rebound on Pereza. 14 to shoot. Torres. Stop back. Pull out jumper. Yes! On Di Torres. 26-80 now. 8-point lead on Alwatba.
Down tayo.
Balingit. Outside. Fake. Wow. Troubling violation now on Tagure. Back to turnover on Tagure. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 26 against 18. Alwatba. Di Torres. Stop up. Umakop. Stay. First basket. Too strong. Rebound on Tahuri. To Raymond. Rebound again. Yeah! Raymond 96-20. 6-point lead back to Al Watba. 5 minutes. Torres. Umagot. Back to Torres. Stay. 10 to shoot. 10. Bang on the Torres. Nothing but net on the Torres. 28-20. Balingit. Kali ba yung Umagot? Balingit tao. Pass to Raymond, fake, save spot, favorite shot, yeah! Walang shot na bigay. 22-28, 6-point lead on Al Watba. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Reyes. Short. Limbang Dings. Now on Raymond. Raymond. Same ball, 40 to shoot, 14. 14 to shoot. Raymond. 10 to shoot, 10. 10 to shoot. Three minutes and 46 seconds.
Nice one! Sabay!
Alawat the ball, alawat pa. Di Torres. Umagot. Ruckling violation on Umagot. Now back to turnover against Umagot. 3 minutes and 23 seconds. 28 against 22. 6-point lead on Alotba. Balingit. Oh, wala mo gantan. Rebound on Di Torres. Di Torres. It's 2-1. Di Torres. Yes on Di Torres. 30-22. Balingit. To Diggs. Wow! Ano mo ba dance? Back to 6-point lead on Alwatba. 30-24. Di Torres. Now is 6 out of 7 of the game. Di Torres. Pass to Pereza. Pa-escape Pereza. 32-24. Alwatba. Raymond. In and out. Again to Strong. 14 to shoot, 14. Ow! Balingit. Again, in and out again, Angelagre. Umago. To Di Torres. Umago Di Torres to Pereza. Too strong. Top by Reyes. Umago to Pereza. Short. Rebound by Raymond. Balingit. It's 2-1. Raymond. Down. Short top again on Umago. It's 3-1, 4-1. Umakop, nice pass outside Pereza. 34-24. Back to 10-point lead on Alwatba. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Balingit. To Raymond. Isidate. Back to Balingit. Tichak, Balingit, strong ball, Balingit. Pow! Foul number 19 on Alwatba. Timeout! On Alwatba. It's Alwatba against Tahuri. Our interstate category by basketballistas. Nice shot on Balingit.
Labas to.
Ready rebound. Yes. Nice shot again by Balingit. 34-26. Vitores. To Reyes. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! All Reyes! 37-26. Back to 11-point lead on Alwartma. Balingit. Pass to Raymond. Big. Yes! 37-28. 9-point lead Alwartma. 41 seconds. Oh, Steven Tegre. Bumago. It's here too. Short. Balingit. Candil Perez. Balingit na. Balingit. Drive. Balingit! Balingit mo by Balingit! 30-37. 21 seconds. Wow! The Torres. 39-30. Back to 9-point lead on Alwartma. 15 seconds. 10. Wow! Deans! And up our second quarter, our score. It is the battle of standing Alwartma against Tagore. Now our guest to Deans. Pow! Foul on number 25, Alwartma. First. On Kasuyo. 33-39. Now 6-point lead on Alwartma.
Alim lang yan.
In and out. Iba ng balitaan. Now Mendoza. Balitaan. Too strong. Rebound by Dings. To Arangues. Arangues now. Arangues. Pass to Dings. Dings outside. Whoa! Strong guy by Dings. 39-35. 5-point lead now. 4-point lead on Alwartma. Balitaan. Back to Mendoza. Stop up. Nice foul. Nice defense. Nice turnover on Alwartma. 8 minutes and 50 seconds on our third quarter. 39-34. Magsisu to Mendoza. The Pragi Man. Turnover on the Pragi Man.
Gol, pakita mo yung taga-Takore.
Arangues.
Pasagol.
Piolo. Dings. 10 to shoot. 10. Too strong. Bam! Namaksado! 36-39. Now 3-point lead on Alwartma. 8 minutes. Mendoza. The drive song. Foul on Dings. First personal foul on Dings. First team foul against Takure.
Call. Tell him. Just call my number. Just call it. Will no call. Call lang.
Okay. Uy!
40 to shoot. Foul.
Siya nga bumabangga eh.
Number 20?
Foul on number 20 on Masiga Sison. Second on Sison. Second team foul on Takure.
Sabay kaya kami.
But he said he will send no. Maybe in a meeting.
Oh! Punsalan, round 2 by Punsalan. 41-36. Back to 5-point lead on Alatba.
Tell me the schedule to fix for Laud. Yeah, I need to confirm now.
Yes.
Foul! Ulit, foul against your 9 on Mendoza. Second team foul on Alatba. First on Mendoza. Piolo, Dins again. Stop. Wow! Dins! 38-41. 3-point lead on Alatba. Balitan. Drive, coast to coast. In and out. Rebound on Masiga Sison. Sison. To Aragues. To Aragues. So naman by Pinoza. Aragues. Pass to Dins again. Dins. To Piolo. Fake. 10 to shoot. 10. Patrick shoot. Short. Rebound now. Here's Bragman! First basket of the day by Bragman, 43-38. Back to 5-point lead on Alatba. Arangues. 6 minutes and 40. The Masigan Sison short. Rebound again. The Masigan Sison. Fake. Foul. Foul on number 6. 13 foul on Alatba. Second personal foul number 6. Doms. 6 minutes and 38 seconds. 14 to shoot. Arangues. To Piolo. 10 to shoot. Master shoot. 5. Oh, yan na. Tribunan Punsalan. 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 In and out by Punsalan. Steelers score 48-38. Piolo. Goes. Pass to Dins. Fake. Foul. Puspolet. Foul against Don Punsalan. Warning for penalty on Alatba. Second personal foul on Punsalan. Our next game, Alnayan versus Navigate. 39-43. Only 4-point lead on Alatba. The Bragman. Bang on the Bragman. 45-39. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 6-point lead now on Alatba. Arangues. Piolo. Fake. Stay. Pass to, block by Balitan. Punsalan, pass outside. Yes, out, timeout. On Takure. 5 minutes and 19 seconds. 47-39. Still favor of Alatba. Now Master Shiu. To Arangues, fake. Drive. To Piolo. Attempt. Too strong. Wow.
Kita yung kamay.
Foul on Balitan. Penalty. Second on Balitan. 47-39.
Kasi simula pa lang eh. Penalty na siya ng pinakamuna.
Basket substitution, Teret. Basket substitution. 47-40.
Drive lang, drive.
Stop. 47 to 41. Now 6-point lead out Al-Wadba. Mendoza. Umagot. Fake. Intercept. Steal by Tagore. It's for one. Now matching gun. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Fragment. First personal foul against Fragment. Penalty. (42 to 47). 5-point lead now on Al-Wadba. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. 43, 47. Mendoza. Mendoza now. Carrier Madisu. Mendoza, 3-point shot. Air ball. Rebound on the Masingan. Masingan now. Drive. Masingan to goal. Foul. Foul on number 6. Second personal foul on number 6. Jones. 44-47. 3-point lead now. Al-Wadba. 4 minutes. Remaining time on our third quarter. Our second game will be Al Nayan versus Labigate. 45 to 47. 2-point lead on Al-Wadba. Mendoza. Escape. Punchala. No! In out. Rebound on Marisgan. Arangues. Yeah! 47-0. This is our first deadlock of the game of the third quarter. Umagog. Drive. Umagog. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. To Puchalan. Fake. Drive. Puchalan. Pump. Puchalan again. Steal on Tagore. Dins. Dins to Magdixo. You know. Same ball. 40 to shoot. 3 minutes. Time out on
Good, open shot. Open shot tayo.
47-all. Machine gun. Bang. Long 2. Coming from the machine gun. 3 minutes. Puchalan. Back to Mendoza. Mendoza. Setting a play. 14 to shoot. Set card 24, set card 14. Set card 14.
Baratan muna kayo si Sisong.
Umagot. Kahit ba Arangues? Ano na Arangues? 10 shoot. Short. Puchalan. Puchalan. 49-all. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes pa yan.
Piolo. Back to Piolo. Bang on Piolo. 52 to 49 now. 3-point lead on Tagore.
Dito may suplagan, tumingin may abang.
Arangues.
Kaya.
Puchalan. Yes. 51 to 52. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Sison. Our ball. Air ball. Sabi to send up. Sison out. Dins out. Now Mendoza. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. Hey, Ujalan. Foul. Foul on Piolo. Third team foul on Tagore. Third team foul against Tagore. First on Piolo. Bonus throw on Ujalan. Short. Ready rebound. Piolo. Clemente. Oh! Steal on Mendoza. Yeah! Grabe, guys. 53 to 52. 1 point din on Alwatba. Arangues. Clemente. In and out. Rebound by Wakop. 45 seconds. Yes, Nawako! 55 to 52, 3-point lead on Alwatba. 30 seconds. Oh, Piolo, 54 to 55. 25 seconds.
Ayun na, magpapabig.
15.
Oh, yan na to.
10. Oh, Steve Arangues. Arangues. Too strong. Rebound on Clemente. Arangues. Oh. And about third quarter score 56 to 55. 1 point. Alwatba ball. Alwatba. Defense shot correct. Alwatba ball. Inbounding Balitan to Di Torres. Bang! On Di Torres! 58 to 56. Back to 2-point lead on Alwatba. Saliente. Aso na Masigan. Sison. Stop back fake. Steal. Balingit. 14 to shoot. 14. Go! Balingit. 58 all. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Balitan. Too strong. Rebound on Pereza. Foul. Foul on number 18 on Balingit.
Number 10?
18. Saliente. First on Tagore. First personal foul on Saliente. 9 minutes. 59 to 58. Only 1 point lead on Alwatba. 60 to 58. 9 minutes. Saliente, posisyon. To Raymond. Balingit, 14 to shoot. Nice defense on Alwatba. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. On our last quarter, Alwatba versus Tagore. Our interstate category. Bad basketballista, Di Torres. Oh, Steven Bolo, Salente. Balingit, it's 2-1. Same ball, same. Nice defense. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 60 to 58. 2-point lead only on Alwatba. Sison. Too strong. What the ball, I'll what the ball. My stats on Raymond. Di Torres. Pereza. Air ball. Puro balingit. Kalibe baling kulitan. Balingit now. Balingit. To Saliente. Saliente. Back to balingit. 14 to shoot.
Wala na!
Foul.
Ulang ko rin.
Ikot mula, ikot!
Foul on number 8 on balingit. Second team foul against Takure.
Person.
First personal balingit. Di Torres. Steve.
Pre, sige na, focus na.
Para!
Foul.
Pause.
Kailangan kasi ikaw niya pa sa susunod alam nila makikita nila.
Ismail, pumaret. Foul on Balitan.
Number 27.
First team foul on what ba?
First and Balitaan.
First personal foul on number 27 on Balitan. Saliente, foul. Foul on number 90. On Duque. Third personal foul against Duque. Second personal foul. Oh, nalawat pa. Basket sa dito sa teret. Basket sa.
Pala ng papaya to. Pinasahan nito.
Sabrap. 59 to 60. 1 point lead now against Alwat pa. Pereza. Balitan. Back to Pereza. Balitan. Di Torres. Galit sa Saliente. 14 to shoot. 14. Foul. Foul on number 18 on Saliente. 13 foul on Takure.
Di ba masyado isa lang?
Di Torres. 10 to shoot. 10. Pereza.
Second.
5. Go, di Torres. Hey. Yes! On Di Torres. 62 to 59. Back to 3-point lead on Alot ba? Balingit.
Isa lang! Isa lang!
Saliente. Right? Pass to Raymond. Oh! Di Torres. Balitan. Yan out. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Balitan out.
Bigyan niyo malakas!
5 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh! Saliente! It's 2-1. Saliente run! Yes, on Saliente! 61 to 62.
Bola!
1 point din ang Alwat ba? Punsalan, guarded by 2. Wow! Di Torres! Substitution rep. Time out on Alwat. 5 minutes. 62 against to 61. Favor all Alwat ba? Rebounding Piolo to the machine gun Sison. Arages. Still 15 to shoot. 15.
Ragis, lapit mo yung pasa!
10 to shoot. Dance! Once again. Tusong! Rebound on Gang! Gang now! Oh, steal! Kebalikan! Tony Torres! Yes, on the Torres! 64 to 61 now! Wow! Same ball, same ball. Winters and Santa 20. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. 64 against the 61. Anges. To Piolo. Too strong. Rebound on Gang. Carried by Sison. Di Torres. Carried by Piolo. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Punsalan. 14 to shoot. 10. Dings.
Diretso mo!
Foul. Post Mallet. Alon Balitaan. Substitute center. Sub. 13 foul Alwatba. 13 foul against Alwatba. Second personal foul on Balitaan.
Tatlo na ba?
Third personal foul on Balitaan, number 25. Basket substitution, direct basket substitution. 3 minutes and 27 seconds on the last quarter. 64 against 61. Alwatba. Dings! Sub.
Labas mo na yung kuhan mo na. Labas mo na. Para walang problema tayo.
64 to 61, 3 minutes and 23 seconds, 3-point lead on Alwatba. Umagaw. Balitaan. Di Torres, 14 to shoot, 14. 14 si Saglag, 14. 14 to shoot, 14. 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Both teams third team foul, both teams. Umago. 10 to shoot, 10. 10 seconds to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Now, nice defense, Don Piolo. 2 minutes and 44 seconds on the last quarter, 64 to 61. Alwatba. Raymond, to the machine gun. Bang, 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 bang on the machine gun. Kilo. 64 all. Di Torres. Drive. Gum. Black foul. Foul on number 20. On Sison, warning on bench on Tagore. Second personal foul on Sison. 64 all, 64 all. Oh, foul again on number 13. Warning for penalty, Alwatba. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul against Karang. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 15. Raymond.
Matagal pa yan!
Dings.
Relax lang!
Season. 14 to shoot. 14. 10.
Nice shot!
Out. Top. May balitan. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Tarang. Gang. Foul. Foul on Raymond. Substitution rep. Some rep. Pasag out. Both teams now on warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. 1 minute and 43 seconds.
First on Raymond.
Banta. Rep.
Kanina pa sila!
Taas na tayo. Coach na tayo. Coach na tayo. May bench tayo. Coach na tayo. Coach na tayo. Coach. Rebound by Season. Piolo.
Bigay mo, yan!
Salente.
Pre, kababayan mo siya, no?
1 minute and 27 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14.
Salaw, pre!
10. 1 minute and 18 seconds. 1 minute and 18 seconds. 9 to shoot. 9. 9 to shoot. 9.
Galing na pa so!
5. 10 to shoot. 10. Foul. Foul on Umago. Penalty tayo. Penalty. Substitution tayo. Substitution. Substitution na. Pero ang out. Punsalan. In. Now, what by penalty?
Wala ka na kaibigan!
65 to 64. 1 point lead on Tagore. Basket sa basket. Time out tayo. Basket time out. Vitores.
Pre, tapat na! Unahan mo! Yan! Tapatan mo!
Vitores now. Foul. Foul on Piolo. Penalty tarap. Penalty.
Dalawa!
Both teams now on penalty. Both teams now on penalty. 55 seconds. 65 to 64.
Nice!
65 all. 65 all.
Pre, penalty kayo, ha?
Oh! Bulitan! 14 to shoot. 14. Busalan. 10 to shoot. Wow! Gone! 67, 65. 30 seconds. Foul. Foul on Season. Penalty na lang. Penalty. Third on Season. Third personal foul on Season. 67 to 65. 7-point lead on Al-Watba. 2-point lead on Al-Watba.
Isa lang!
25 seconds. Basket substitution, basket timeout there pa. Basket timeout.
Wala pa.
At timeout! Oh, Tagure! 25 seconds, 14. Shot at 14. 25 seconds, 25. Score 68 to 65.
Basket mo to.
Ten to shoot, 10! Hey! Yeah!